I'm really curious to see if AI can help me build a full startup. Not just generate code snippets or design mockups. I mean building a real web app that people can use. And in this video, we are testing it. I will give myself 1 hour, no coding, no team, just AI. So let's get started. First things first, we needed a startup idea. So instead of trying to build the next Uber or AI for everything, I came up with something simple. I wanted to come up with something that can help you make money fast and solve a real problem. So I thought, what if I make an app for freelancers to help them track their income and make more clients? So an app that will help them send invoices as well. Because as a freelancer, keeping track of payments can be a little messy. So if you're using PayPal or Stripe, those payments come from random clients, random invoices that you've sent, and you don't have an idea of who paid you yet and who didn't. So the idea that I thought of was a simple dashboard for freelancers to track their income and automatically generate invoices. Because this is something that real people would use. And I think, okay, if I charge $10 a month, that's $120 a year for 100 users. So that's like $1,000 a month. That's not bad for an app that doesn't exist yet. Now let's talk about the tool that is making all of this possible, which is Emergent. Basically, it is like your AI co-founder. You type in what you want to build, literally in plain English, and it plans everything out for you. The front end, the back end, the database, and even the deployment. Think of it as ChatGPT, but instead of giving you advice, it builds the actual app. So you go to the site, in the link below, you log in and you type. Build a SaaS web app where freelancers can log their payments, track total income, and generate invoices automatically. And that is it. No code, no frameworks, no hiring anyone. Just a prompt. Okay, so then I hit enter and let's see how everything worked. Emergent immediately started planning the app structure. It generated an entire project outline. A login system, dashboard with income stats, add payment form, auto invoice generator, and an admin panel. Then it literally just started coding it for me. Line by line, full React components, Node.js backend, and database setup. I just sat there watching it happen. And then in about 40 minutes, it said that the app was complete and it has been successfully deployed. So let me show you the result, the working app that it built for me. When you open the app, you have a login page, a clean interface, and a dashboard that shows total income and recent payments. Then you could click Add Payment, type in a client name and amount, and it updates the dashboard instantly. This is perfect for somebody that wants to start something and they don't know how to write any line of code. They are not an expert. They just want to use a tool that truly works. So if this AI did this in less than an hour, imagine what it can do in a week or in a month. You can help customize it and bring it to the level that you want it to be at. So now let's talk business. How can you make money from building such a startup with Emergent AI? If you actually want to launch this product, you have to come up with an easy to remember name such as Freelance Flow or something catchy. So again, if you charge a small fee like $10 a month and you get 100 users a month, that's still $1,000 a month from one startup. So you don't have to spend weeks, hire developers. You can use Emergent to start it because it is not just automating small tasks, it's how you start a business that actually works. So Emergent doesn't only help you with coding, it helps you actually build a startup. So it handles all the technical side so you can focus on your brand idea, how you're going to make clients, and basically how you're going to sell it and make money. So you don't need to be a developer to start something real anymore. You can start building something powerful without coding by just using AI. So there you go, no code, no investors, just an idea and Emergent AI. So if you've been having an idea for a while, go ahead and click the link below to try Emergent because you can start playing with the tool and create something that you've always dreamed of starting. Let me know in the comments below what type of startup would you begin with Emergent. Again, don't forget to check it out at the link below and build that startup. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!